So hello everyone, we'll be seeing how we can use this sound effects endpoint from ModelsLab. So we have to come to the ModelsLab documentation, and the voice cloning section we have this SFX endpoint. So we can create sound effects just solely based on the plain text prompts. You can listen to some sample generations here, and we'll be seeing one of the example how we can use this in a API format in the Postman. So I'll just copy this endpoint. If you go below in the request section, I can see this endpoint, so I'll just copy this endpoint. We'll go to Postman and I'll just paste this endpoint here. Now I have added the key here, and there's a prompt which I need is thunderstorm with rain, which I need the output for. So I'll just make a request. So I'll just make a request now to see how we get the output. So I'll be making a request. You can see we have received the response. It says in the processing. We'll wait for a couple of seconds before we get this output, and so now we'll see our result has been generated. We'll just check it once. We can even modify this to use a duration prompt as well. So we can just pass the duration here, and for the duration we'll pass it as 8 seconds, 5 seconds. It can go up to 15 seconds, so we will just pass for now, let's say 5 seconds, and let's see. Okay, let's see if it been generated. It's generated. See, it's a 5-second audio. So this is how we can use the SFX endpoint in the ModelsLab. Thank you.